Welcome. In front of me is a Sony Xperia Tablet Z, and today I will show you how you can go through the setup of this device. So when you boot it up for the first time, you should see this screen right over here where you get to select your language. Now for me, it already selected the correct one, so I'm going to stick with this one, but obviously you can find your desired language from the list right here. From there we can go to the next page, which is welcoming. So, and here we need to agree that we have read and understood the what is this? Important information. No, I believe this is just a nice way of saying terms of service, but okay. Now on the next page we have time and date. So you can choose the correct time and date. I'm just gonna completely disregard it for now. Wi-Fi connection. So in here you can connect to your Wi-Fi. You would need to tap right here. It will start looking for some kind of signals around you. At which point, once it finds it, you can connect to the one that you want to. Then you can progress further, and we have Sony Xperia Network. Wait, what is that? With Sony Entertainment Network, you can discover and enjoy the best. I guess that is equivalent of Netflix, but just way back in the day. You can select Get Started, which would do what? Oh, get nothing because I don't have internet connection, so I'm just gonna skip this for now. Then we have accounts, which again, for me it won't work because I didn't connect to network, but you can connect to Twitter, Facebook, Google, whichever one you want. And then you're ready to go. So let's select finish, and this will take us to the home screen. There we go. So that is how you could go through the setup of this tablet, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.